Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how you can put together a simple website just like this in about 20 minutes no matter what your skill level is. Okay, so before we actually start building, I want to go over a couple things and then we'll get right into it. Website hosting is where your website is going to live online. It's where all your content is stored, all your videos, your pictures, anything basically that's on your website is stored there. And then all of that information is stored on a server. Here's another way I like to explain this to people. Think if you were going to build a house, you would need the land to put the house on. When you're building a website, you're going to need somewhere to put the website on. So basically the land is the website hosting and your website is the house. Website hosting normally costs about $60 to $100 a year, sometimes more. But today I'm going to show you how to get website hosting for just $12 a year plus a free domain name. A website domain is the link to your website. So for example, here's some other website domains. Google.com, YouTube.com, Amazon.com, GoDaddy.com. You get the idea. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to jump over to my website, which is createwpsite.com, and this is where we're going to get the special discount for website hosting and a free domain. So just go up here to special deals, and we're going to click on the GoDaddy coupon. We're just going to click view this offer. Okay, so this is the page you guys are going to land on, and we're going to click on the economy package for $1 a month. And now this video is going to cut to another video that is going to show you how to install your hosting and set up WordPress, and then after that I'll come back and we'll start building the actual website. Okay, now pick your domain name, just whatever domain name you want, something that's going to be relevant to whatever your website's going to be about. I'm just going to do this one real quick. Okay, finance and solutions is available. Click add and continue. Okay, and then after you did that, you land on this page right here, and this is just going to show you your total, and since you click that link, it automatically applied this promotional code, and just to show you, we'll remove it, 1218. If you don't have that, it's back up to 60 bucks. So put that code, I'm going to put that code back in for sure. And then I'm going to go here and I'm just going to go to proceed to checkout. Okay, and I'm going to sign up as a new customer. Okay, so I just entered all my information in. It's going to be blurred out for obvious reasons, but when you get the account information right here, email address, username, password, make sure you write all that stuff down, or just make a note of it somewhere, even though I'm pretty sure they're going to give it to you anyways. And the next thing you need to do is go down to payment information and pay however you want. I'm going to choose PayPal. Okay, and then after you pay, you're going to land on your confirmation page, and all you're going to do is, if everything looks right, 1218 should be your total. Click I agree, and then place your order. And that's it. You now have website hosting. Okay, now before we go and install WordPress, first I want you to go up here and go to Manage My Domains, and we're going to verify our email. We got to do that before we can do anything. So just come right here, click Verify Email. Now check your email, and there should be some type of message there. Okay, so I'm going to go check my email now. Okay, and if you can see right here, it says Action Required. Verify your email. Okay, now that's it. Your account is verified. Now we're going to click here, go to my account, and we're going to set up WordPress. And you can do this if you want, or you can just skip it. I'm just going to click no thanks. Okay, so when we get on this page, we're going to go here and we're going to go to web hosting and click manage. And right where it says new cPanel, click setup. Now you can select from your domain. It's already selected. I'm going to go here and I'm going to create a username and a password. Okay, now after you do that, make sure you make some kind of note of that and then click finish. And then we're going to click get started. Okay, now you should be in your cPanel, and to install WordPress, we're just going to scroll down here to Web Applications and click WordPress. Okay, then come right here and hit install this application. Okay, now when it gets to this part, we're just going to leave it blank, so anytime anybody goes to this link, they'll land on your page. Scroll down here. This stuff should be all figured out for you right here. I'm going to click install. Okay, and then you'll land on this page after you're done. And if you ever need to edit your password or any of those type of things, you can go here, view edit details. It'll give you all your stuff right here. You can edit all that. I'm going to go here and I'm going to click this one that says / WordPress admin. Okay guys, so we're back and this is the page you should be on. We got all our stuff over here, and let's just check out what the site looks like right now. Pretty bland, pretty boring, but we're going to make it look better here in a second. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is install a theme. So we're going to go over here to Appearances and click on Themes. And we're going to go here, click Add New. And as you can see, there's a bunch of themes right here, and more up here if you go right here. But for this example, we're going to use Access Press Mag theme, and here it is right here. We're going to click Install. And then we're going to click Activate. If you ever want to just preview a theme that you're maybe thinking about using, just click on Live Preview and it'll show you. But for this, we're going to click Activate. Okay, now the theme has been activated. Let's take a look at what it looks like. Still not much, but it's going to look better once we start adding some content. Okay, so now we're going to go up here to Post and click Add New. We're going to add the content in, and I'm going to show you how you make your first post. So I'm going to go here, and I got some example text that I'm going to be using. This is just for an example. That's why it looks like that. Then I'm going to go over here and go down here to Featured Image, Set Featured Image. Click this and click this one right here. And now it doesn't really matter what image you used. Just go on Google, wherever you can find images, and you don't really have to worry about the size too much. The theme usually will size it for you. Just don't use anything too small though. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click Publish, and we'll see what that looks like. Okay, so we got one post right here, and I'm going to come back. I'm going to add about 4 or 5 other posts, and then I'm going to come back. Okay guys, so I'm getting ready to finish up my last blog post here, and I just wanted to go over a couple more things with you before we move on to the next steps. And one of the things is, if you ever want to add in any kind of image or a video or anything like that, it's the same thing as setting a featured image. You go to Upload Files, pick whatever picture you want, you go down right here, you click Insert Post, and then it'll be right there. And then the other thing I wanted to go over too is the categories. Depending on whatever your website is, for mine it's a health website, so I added a category. You can click here, add whatever category you want, click Add New Category for this. I'm just going to put it under categories of diet and weight loss. I'm going to scroll down here, set the last featured image. Actually, it's right there. Okay, we'll click this, and I'm going to come up here, click publish, and let's take a look at it real quick. Alright, so as you can see, it's starting to come along a little bit. Once you get content up and start getting pictures, your site is going to look a lot more full. So let's continue. Okay, now we're going to go over here and we're going to add some new pages. And the first page I'm going to add is just weight loss. And you guys can add, you guys don't have to add pages. If you want to, you can. If you don't need to, then you don't have to. But for this example, there's pages, so I'm just going to add them. And you can put whatever content down here. But for the example, I'm just going to leave this blank right now, just to show you how to actually make the pages. And then I'm just going to click publish. And again, I'm going to show you where that would pop up. And see, it would pop up right here. And now I'm going to add in some other pages, and I'm going to come back. Alright guys, so I just finished adding the last page in, and let's take a look at what it looks like now. Okay, as you can see, all the pages are up here, and if you go to privacy policy or contact us or about, there's going to be a link right here to the privacy policy page. So if you don't know how to make a privacy policy page, you can click right there. It's going to show you how to do it. Same here, same thing with the contact us page and the about us page. These are just those three are pages that you should always have on your site. Google likes it. They just make your site look more professional, and they're pages that you need. So now we're going to move on to the next step. And one more thing before we move on to the next step, if you guys ever wanted to change the order of how these look right here, say you have 10 pages, you would come here and say you wanted your privacy policy first, which normally you wouldn't want, but just for an example, you would put this as number 1, and then whatever one you wanted for number 2, you'd put as number 2, and just so on and so on and so on until you get to page 10. That's how you do that. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to settings, and this is where you're going to name your website. You're going to put the site title, and you're going to put the tagline. You don't need the tagline, but you can use it if you want. Okay, now I'm going to add my title, which is Weight Loss Guide 2016, and this is going to be my tagline. I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm going to click Save Changes. Okay, now once you did that, we can go over here, and you can see right there, it's all updated with your tag and your title. And now we're going to come over here, and we're going to go to Appearance, and we're going to go to Widgets, and this is where we're going to add in we're going to come right here because we're going to add a banner to the right sidebar, and you can put this, I usually put it right under the search bar right here. Okay, so now how you're going to add the link to, or how you're going to add the banner rather to the right sidebar is you're going to need a link to the image. So we're going to go over here to tinypic.com. We're going to click Browse, and we're going to find the image I want. That's what I want. And this banner is size 300 by 250. 300 width is normally the size of right sidebar, so it's pretty much the perfect width. So try for, if you're going to put a banner up, try for 300 by, anything. 250 is usually good. It'll look good. We're going to click OK, and then we're going to click Upload. Okay, and then this little pop-up is going to come in there. Whatever it says, please enter, just type it in. Then click Upload Now. And it's going to take you to this page, and the code you're going to want is right here, this first one. Right-click that and then click Copy. And close that page now, and then you're just going to right click again and you paste it in, hit save, and let's go up to the site and see if it worked. And it worked. There it is. Okay, now we're going to add the top banner up here. And to do that, we're going to click this customize right here. It's going to take you here, and then we're just going to go over here to widgets, and you'll see header add widget right here. Scroll down here. Gonna click text. Again, we're gonna go and do the same thing. Go to tinypic.com. Same thing as you did for the right sidebar image. And we're gonna click this 720 by 90 banner. Click upload. And again, it'll take you to this page, and we're just going to copy that same link that we used last time. Right click, paste it in here, click save and publish, and right there it is. Okay, then we're just going to go back here just to do couple other little things just to make it look better. We're going to come down here, we're going to get rid of this. You can keep this one up here. I'm going to remove this one. Recent comments, you can keep that if you want, but just for this I'm going to remove it, so we just have these. And let's take a look at how that looks. It helps clean it up a little bit. And that's how it looks. Okay guys, so really that's it. You know, that was pretty painless, right? You know, the site is complete and it's full of content. Well, example content. Hopefully your site is filled with useful information for people to enjoy. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and hopefully you learned something. Like I said before too, it doesn't matter what skill level you have. All you have to do is follow these directions, and you can have a site just like this one. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comments section below, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.